Hey fam, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann, and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our last paycheck in May and going over our first paycheck in June. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. Excuse my nails, I am still trying to let them breathe. However, I think I am going to put some nails on this weekend. I am not sure. So this weekend is going to be a very exciting weekend. My son is coming with 3 of my grandkids. I haven't seen them in a while, so I'm looking forward to spending the weekend with them. They will be in today sometime, so I'm going to get this started, get it out the way, run my errands, and prepare dinner for them tonight. So let's get started and let's see how this goes. In our budget from May the 24th through May the 30th, in our expense category, we budgeted $140.36 for our Chase card, $120.99 for our homeowner's warranty, $115.52 for our life insurance, $12.99 for Canva Pro, $12 for Google LLC, $7.62 for HP Inc., $37.55 for our Met subscription, and $5.39 for our Kindle Unlimited. That came up to a total of $452.42. In our actual category, we paid $140.36 on our Chase card, $120.99 on our homeowner's warranty, $115.52 on our life insurance, $12.99 on Canva Pro, $12 on our Google LLC, $7.62 on HP Inc., and $37.22 on our Med subscription. The Kindle Unlimited did not come out, so that is a difference of $5.39. However, that will come out next month, and it will be $11 or $12, somewhere around in there. That came up to a total of $447.03, which was a difference of $5.39. We budgeted $100 in our backup funds, $115 for oil change and tire rotation, $490 for cash envelopes, $350 for sinking funds, and $60 for our savings challenge. That came up to $1,115. In our actual category, we put $100 in our backup fund. We spent $86.28 on our oil change, which was a difference of $28.72. They did not do the tire rotation because my husband's truck needs new tires, and that's going to cost us about $1,300 for a set of tires. So I'm working on that right now. $410 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $80. $350 on our sinking funds, and $60 on our savings challenge. That came up to a total of $1,006.28, which was a difference of $108.72. In our income versus our expenses, we estimated our income to be $1,572.35. Minus the extras of $215, which was the backup fund and the oil change. Minus the cash envelopes of $490, minus the sinking fund of $350, and minus the savings challenges of $60. That left a remainder of $4.93. In our actual category, our income was $1,572.35, minus the expenses of $447.03, which was a difference of $5.39. Minus the extras of $186.28, which was a difference of $28.72. Minus the cash envelopes of $410, which was a difference of $80. Minus the sinking funds of $350, and minus the challenge of $60. That left a remainder of $119.04, which was a difference of $114.11. In our budget from May the 31st through June the 6th, in our expense category, we budgeted $960 for our mortgage, $210 for our utilities, $48 for our gym fee, and $12 for our Kindle Unlimited. That came up to $1,230. In our extras, we budgeted $100 for our sinking fund, and $170 for my sugaring appointment. That came up to $270. We budgeted $530 for our cash envelopes, $575 for our sinking funds, $140 for our savings challenges, and $40 for our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,285. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $2,861.45, minus the expenses of $1,230, minus the extra of $270, minus the cash envelopes of $530, minus the sinking fund of $575, minus the savings challenge of $140, and minus the extra backup money of $40. That left a remainder of $76.45. So, fam, as you heard, we do have an extra expense that's going to come out, and that's for my husband's tires. When he went to get his oil change and the tire rotation, they looked at it and he has wiring coming out of one of his tires and the thread is low. And we're not sure why that is, but it's got to be taken care of. And after looking at the tires for his truck, it's going to be about $1,200 to $1,300 for a set of tires. So that's where we're at with that. And I am going to take the money from one of the funds and pay for it and just replace that money, because I don't want to wait too long to save for the money for the tires and then something happens should he be on the road or anything. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.